In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to log in to Arena Breakout. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. After you download Arena Breakout from the Play Store or the App Store and you open it up, you will have to download some additional files, assets, models and textures for the game. And once the whole process is done, and that might take a while, you will be able to tap anywhere on the screen to access the login page. As you can see, you can use any email in order to receive a code and log in, or alternatively, you can log in with Facebook, with Google, or as a guest. When you click any of these options, you will have to select your region and agree to the terms and conditions. And once you agree with everything listed, you can sign in and start playing as usual. For this video, I'm going to select Facebook, which is my primary method of signing in to Arena Breakout. But as long as you select any of the methods available, you will have access to the full game. The first time you sign into Arena Breakout, you will have to go through the process of learning how to play. You can choose between a recruit if you need additional help, or veteran if you have already played other FPS games. And once you are done with the initial process of setting up the game and learning how to play, you will be able to log in and access anything you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to log into Arena Breakout. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.